What is up, my super duper fabulous modern people around the world? I'm Yowawerts, and this is my Pokemon Target arcade game. Before we proceed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, and might as well share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to ring that bell to get notified if I upload new videos. So basically, this is a cardboard shooting game, and you're going to use this cardboard launcher thing that I made. And it's so windy outside. You're going to be using these Pokeballs, so it's like you're shooting the Pokemons with this. It's like you're catching them, and I call this the Pokeball launcher. So basically you're going to open this and you're going to insert all the Pokemon balls just like that. See, and you're going to pull this button, and then when you release it, the Pokemon balls are shot. Just like that. I'm gonna show you the front view. So it's like it's sticking its tongue out. So it's really cute. It also has this Pokemon ball sign. I'm gonna show you the 360-degree view of this Pokemon ball launcher. That's about it, and it shoots Pokemon balls. Alright. Anyways, these are the targets for our arcade game. They're all Pokemon characters. So here is Jigglypuff, here's Pikachu, Bulbasaur, here is Pororo the little penguin, here's Meowth, and we also have here Squirtle, and this is Charmander, and this one is just basically a seahorse, but I forgot its name. Let's just call him Vice Ganda at the moment. And lastly, this cardboard cabinet thing. I colored it with violet, orange, white, and pink. Whoops. I printed out 2 Pokemon logos and I pasted it here. Here's a small Pokemon sign, and you see here a big Pokemon logo. And as you can see here, I also put these numbers, which are all inside the circle. So basically what you're going to do is that you're going to put the targets inside the circle covering all the numbers, and then when you hit a target you'll be able to see what points you get. So we just hit Charmander, so we get 20 points. Okay, so let's put all the targets here. So let's reload our Pokemon ball launcher. And by the way, these were the chips I used in my cardboard coin pusher machine, so go check it out if you want to see that. Anyways, I was just going to leave the chips like that, all just blank, but then my brother told me that I should print out Pokemon balls and then paste it in the chips, so it's going to look like I'm catching some Pokemons. So yeah, shout out to my brother. So we're going to put all the Pokemon balls inside the Pokemon ball launcher. Yeah, so it's full. Now we're ready to play and go. Oops. Bang. Bang. Oops. Missed. Oh yeah, we had 20 points. Oops. Oh. What? I can't hit Jigglypuff. Let's hit Pikachu. No. Yeah. No. Oops. Yep. No. Oh, so that's it. I'm so bad at this game. Okay, so round 2. Hopefully we get all the Pokemons this time. Oops. Yeah, Charmander is out. Meowth is out. Ooh. So we hit 20 points. 5 points, 30 points, 20 points, and 50 points. All in all, we got a total score of 125 points, so that was better than last time. So I think that is it for this arcade game. I hope you liked it, and if you want to make this machine, then go ahead and check the description below because I'll link the tutorial for this cardboard game. So I think that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and stay awesome, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Gotta catch 'em all! Is it just me or this thing looks like the scanner they use in the supermarket? Dit!